Hey, what's up, peeps? This is your boy, iMikey84, with a hands-on review and unboxing of a Speck candy shell for the iPod 2nd generation. It's the red and white one, Speck candy shell. And I got this at my gear store. Big props up to my gear store. Mystery bag, which I'm very happy with this. I also ordered a pair of headphones, but I didn't get that. I got a radio, so I'm giving that to my dad. Anyways, onto this review and unboxing. So this does not have the Speck packaging, not the box, just the plastic part to it. Got a microfiber cloth with that, and the case itself. Let's see if I get anything else. And I also got instructions on how to remove the case. So now we're gonna put the Speck's candy shell onto this iPod 2nd generation. And this is the imitation iPod Lux case. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to place this on the button side first. They always say. Oh, it just snaps on like a beauty. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's in red and white, but it does not have any cutout. Just on the 30-pin dock connector on the back, and your headphone is exposed. But your sleep awake button got a little rubber piece up here, and your volume rocker, which I think that's pretty okay. Yeah, not that very good to open this with, to press the button. I do say goodbye. Okay, yeah, that's my iPod saying goodbye. Anywho, overall, I think this case is very nice. As you can see here, it has like a almost like a rubber, like a silicone kind of lip, where it is a lay in the table design. You could lay it on the table and it will be great. Also over here, you know, any functionality, specs. I just love this case. This is now going to be my favorite case for the iPod 2nd generation. So this has been a review and unboxing from iMikey84. Please rate 5 stars, subscribe, later.